Hello everyone. The student tool that I chose was Nearpod. Nearpod is a great lesson planning platform for teachers and students. As you can see on my screen, I already have a login and lessons that I have done in the future and in the past, as you can see on my screen. If you are a student, you would basically sign in over here. A lot of students, they join from a code, which would be over here is how they could join a lesson. Also, they can access this through their student emails and websites like Clever that would lead them here. If I were to be teaching a lesson, I would either click live participation or we can do student pace. So something like this where we did inferencing and fiction, a student pace would look like this. They would join with the code. I can send their codes to the emails, Google Classroom. That's typically how the student would get it. And they would be able to go in and then just like a preview of what lessons can look like for students. Here we have a drawing tool where the students would go in and annotate and mark up the reading for the day. So that's how that would work. The next slide would look like something a bit different. Give me 1 second. And this is what the live participation looks like. So, sorry, doing it from the student's point of view, that is what the live participation would look like. And this is where like students sign in. Yes. So going back to the other screen, we can see a little bit more like in detail of students being able to explore this platform. Here they have a lesson where videos can be included. We have student can play and answer questions at their own pace, or the teacher can play on their device. And here we're going to do teacher plays and get through that. And then more like student facing work that gets to be able to see their reading, and then they type in responses here. In here you can add multiple choice, various student friendly things. So there's a whole library here. In the Nearpod library, you can watch so many videos. You can go from grade level to subject. I teach English language arts, so I'm always over here, and you can assign these to the students for them to work on independently. In a lot of videos, they have activities connected to them where they can actually be an active participant in their learning instead of just watching a video. But yes, this is a really good tool for students to learn. Thank you.